How to create an CougarD account. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create your CougarD account on your device. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and you have to search for your CougarD app. After that, you have to install your app on your device. So if the app has successfully installed on your device, then you have to go for open. So on the open option, you have to go for the signing up. You have to agree the terms of service and privacy policy of this app. So here you have to go for your create account. So to create your account, you have to write your email here and go for the new password. So here you have to go for the sign up option. After that, here you have to go for your name or nickname that you want to write, and here you have to add your birthday year. Go for done and you have to choose your gender here, and here you also can edit your profile by choosing a photo or taking a photo from your gallery. Then go for the choose photo and you can select your source from file manager, gallery or drive. Then you have to go for the continue option, and if you want to allow your location, go for allow. Then if you don't want to allow your location, then go for not now. And to complete your profile, you have to select your relationship starters and you can choose the preferences that you want. Go for the done option. So that's the process how to create your CougarD account in your device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.